We'll use the small ball to release tension in the calves and lower leg. Take a seat and extend your right leg long. Place the small ball underneath your calf muscle. Use your hands to help you. Left foot is flat onto the floor, knee bent. Chest starts to lift. See if you can start to point, flex, and even circle your ankle. And as you do this movement, start to notice the calf muscle respond to the ball. Right, so start to move a little bit left, right, up, and down. See if you can target a spot that has some sensation for you. And then we'll move the ball just a bit lower. Starting the whole thing again, lifting through the torso as you point, flex, circle the ankle. Move the ball a little left, a little right, a little up and down. We'll do one more spot on this side. So we're essentially working behind the knee, just below the knee, down to about where the Achilles tendon would start. And again, point, flex, circle the ankle. Bring some movement, but see if you can keep yourself supported with the shoulders up. Take the ball out of the way and give yourself a moment. Extend both legs, sit up tall, and see if you can notice that sensation of opening up behind the knee. We'll shift to do the other side. Take the ball underneath your left calf this time. Extend the leg long. Use your hands to support, but make sure your shoulders are soft and relaxed. Start to flex, point, circle your ankle, and feel how your calf muscle responds to the stretch where the ball is. Start to bring the ball a little left and right, up and down. And then we'll shift it lower, starting the whole thing again. Targeting again about 3 different spots as it relates to your calf here. Take the ball out of the way, and again, sit up nice and tall, and see if you can notice that grounded sensation through the lower legs, helping you sit upright and over your hips.